we think police is going astray. As Ugandans who are concerned, as parliamentarians who have lost a colleague, we are interested in knowing whether police has apprehended the people suspected to have been part of the conspiracy to kill our colleague. That's where the efforts should be directed. For us, we only came in as doctors and parliamentarians to assist in finding out the truth, what exactly killed the Honorable Nebanda. So how do you now want to start hunting for us as if we are criminals?
When I live here, Parliament, and I've gone to Mbarara, sometimes I go to clinic and treat patients. But if I am treating patients, I must treat them with honesty, and I should not start concocting some diagnosis to make my ends meet. That is something I cannot do. Mine is an issue of this doctor, a colleague of mine who is very senior to me and who have served this country for so long.